You're averaging less than 2 hours.
Yeah? Well, what can I say? Hell of a nightlife up in here.
First, you can say what you're doing with the pills. Prescription's meant to help you sleep.
I take them.
You do?
I take them and then I flush them.
Why?
I don't need your help sleeping. I was trained to sleep anywhere.
You were also trained on how to avoid sleep. Why don't you want to sleep, Billy? Are you afraid to sleep because of the nightmares? Our treatment plan for you is simple. Successfully exposing yourself to the nightmares is the only way to control the nightmare. Do you mind if I take a look?
Knock yourself out.
Trying to fully recall a nightmare is like pulling on a spider web. If you yank hard on it, you're gonna break it. But we're gently pulling on that spider web. And once we've pulled it all out, you can leave nightmare helplessness behind and you can start to gain a mastery over it. That's the point of this journal. What you write down doesn't have to make sense.
None of this shit makes any sense. Why won't you help me?
Billy, calm down. I know what we're talking about is scary.
What the hell do you know? You think you got it all figured out, don't you? With your goddamn finger painting and your dear diary bullshit!
You're agitated because you need sleep.
Hey!
Hi.
Attention security. Initiate lockdown. North wing, 4th floor.
Why don't you scream? Why don't you say something?
I don't want you to get hurt. Billy, you're not ready to be on your own, okay? You can trust me. It's not too late to put this right. We can do that, you and I.
There's no putting this right.
Billy. Billy.